Hello friends, let's make this easy and simple beautiful frock for a 1-year-old baby girl. This is very beautiful. It has a bow in front and I also made a matching headband to go with it. So let's begin. I used 1 yard of stretchy velvet fabric to make both the baby frock and the headband. This is stretchy, so I will not be using a zipper. If you're using a non-stretchy fabric, you can use a zipper. Okay, so this is for the top part. I have the fabric here measuring 23 inches and 8.5 inches long. So I am going to fold this fabric into two because we'll be cutting the front and the back part together. From the center here, I will mark half of her shoulder measurement, which I used 4.5 inches. Then I am going to come down by the armhole depth, which I also used 4.5 inches. On the chest line, I marked 1/4 of her round chest measurement plus side joining allowance, which I used 6.5 inches. And on the waistline, I marked 6 inches. I connected the side and curved the armhole. I went up by 0.5 on the side and connected it towards the front. So for the neckline, I used 2.5 for the wideness and I used 2 inches for the deepness. This is for both the front and the back neckline. Now I slanted the shoulder by about 0.2 and that's it for this. I'm going to cut it out. Before we move on to the sewing part, let's cut the sleeve. So this is the fabric for the sleeve. I will fold it 2 times because I am going to be cutting the both sleeves together. For the height of the sleeve, I used 4 inches. So I am going to mark 4 inches around this folded fabric. On this end part of the sleeve, I marked 2 inches and then I made a slight curve to meet this side like so. Now I'll go ahead and cut this out. So the wideness of the sleeves are 20 inches each. Both of them are 20 inches because we'll be gathering them to fit the armhole area. So I'll just hem the border and gather it. Now to the sewing part, I will first of all join the shoulders of the top. Hey friends, if you're getting value from this video, please take a moment to hit the like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're yet to subscribe. Thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate it. After joining the shoulders, I will use this piece of fabric that I cut out in a bias form to hem the neckline. After stitching the piece of fabric around the neckline, I will trim off the seam line and then go ahead to double fold and then make a stitch. So in case you're wondering, I stitched the strip of fabric on the wrong part. I stitched it on the wrong part of the top and then I am double folding on the right part of the top. This will help me ensure that I am getting a balanced and proper fold. Now the neckline is properly folded and turned. I'll now hem and gather the sleeve. After gathering the two sleeves, I'll proceed to join it to the top. Now I took measurements to be sure that this is the exact measurement of round the armhole where I'll be fixing the sleeve to. Okay, so do well to cross check yours before you go ahead to attach the sleeves. Now the sleeves are done, we'll cut the skirt part of the dress. For the skirt part, I have cut 2 pieces of fabric. I separated these because I want the front and the back to be separate. The length of this is 13 inches and the width is 23 inches. So I will simply gather it separately and hem the border to be able to attach it to the top part. So I have gathered the skirt and hemmed the border. I will now proceed to join the skirt part to the top part. I will do this for both the front and the back pieces of the top. After joining the skirt part to the top, I will now match the side so that I will join the sides. I will match it starting from the sleeve area, then I will stitch from that point down to the hem of the dress. So repeat the same pattern for the both sides. So after joining the sides, let's turn it to the right side to see what our dress looks like. Okay, so we are almost done. We are done with the dress basically, so it's just to make the little bow on the front. So for the bow, I have this little fabric that I have cut out. It is 5.5 by 6 inches on fold. Okay, so I am going to just stitch the four angles of this piece of fabric. So after stitching on the four corners, I will make a little opening on a little cut on the center and then turn it out from that opening. So this is the bow. Now for the knot, I have this little piece of fabric I cut out at 4.5 by 3 inches. I'm just going to fold it into two and stitch on the bottom side and then on the side. Then I will turn this out to the right side. To make the bow, gather the squared shape fabric from the middle and then go ahead and tie it with a thread first to secure it properly. Now you can use the knot to hold it around to give it that typical bow look. Okay, now go ahead and fix this on the center part of the dress, and that's it for the dress. Now, if you're interested to learn how to make the headband that I made with this dress together, then watch out for my next tutorial. Thank you for watching. Bye.